How to fix FIFA 23 audio/sound not working on Windows PC. 1. Quit then restart FIFA 23. 2. Check volume mixer. 3. Use the correct audio device in sound settings. 4. Set sound sample to 48/44 kHz in sound control panel. 5. Disconnect and reconnect your controller. 6. Disable Windows Sonic for headphones in spatial sound. 7. Disable Oculus/voice meter in playback and recording. 8. Uncheck hands-free telephony in your speaker properties. 9. Disconnect external microphone on your PC. Plan B, disable external microphones and internal microphones. 10. Install audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 11. Verify/repair the game files in the EA app. Like this.